guys, so today we're going to be doing slime stuff, and this one's called colour glue and this one's called magic liquid.
Yep.
And let's start.
What? I press stop. What do you have to do after this?
It's already turning.
Yeah, give it a good mix all over. Have you ever made bread?
No.
Oh, okay.
I made a different type of bread,
Oh, okay.
but I haven't cooked it.
Make sure you get in the corners of the bowl as well. Whoa. Kind of looks like jelly.
Get off. Get off. Get off.
Keep giving it a mix.
Keeps getting on me. Already doing
Try
good.
to get it in a big ball.
Hey.
Yeah.
Keeps getting on me. I think we need some more magic liquid.
You're supposed to put it all in. Huh? Oh, you did put it all in.
No, I just.
What, a few drips?
Wow. That's so hot.
So what do you do with this slime now?
Play.
Oh, okay.
And stretch.
Do you know that meme?
Yeah.
Hey. What are you doing?
I'm just making sure to get it all in the corners. Ugh.
Oh, you want to high five that?
No, I don't. I don't want any slime on my hands.
I'm doing that. It's some more.
You can't do it. I can't. I got slime on my hands too.
Oh no.
And I'm holding the camera.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It's hard to.
Right, you hold the bottle.
Because you're not that slimy. Or the rest go in.
Don't do that.
It has to go in now. Oh, there. It's coming in. Okay. That's not all.
That'll do. It's on my hands. And
Hey! Look at it go. Hey, stop! I'm trying to make it go, 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 go. So wiggly. So wiggly. Bing. Bing. And take this one.
it's almost become its true form.
Yeah, almost.
Can you get this out of my hand?
Still some. It's not that sticky anymore. Get that.
That's good.
It's full cells.
You just created a bubble. Did you see it?
Oh, I see loads of bubbles in it.
Make sure you get all of the air out, if you can.
Is it? Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna go play with my slime now.